Right here with Alkakleen Power Washing here in Jacksonville, Florida. We just finished up hitting this pool deck. We also did all the brick pavers for the customer. So we got all those looking real nice for them. Come on out front. We did the whole house also. Just cleaned up these pavers for them also. Make sure we got up there and got that chimney. Come down around to the house. Customer got a nice sized driveway. We knocked that out for him. It's looking pretty good. Florida, serving the Jacksonville beaches. We're right here in Atlantic Beach, Florida. Just finished the first half of this driveway right here. You see how this side came off on one clean, and this is how it looked before. So you see the difference right here, and this is where we're coming at. If you guys need your driveway clean, exterior, your house pressure wash, give us a call, 904-438-2776. Or you can visit us online at www.alkakleen-of-jacksonville.com. Appreciate it.